to start the hospital shift? Yeah! Woohoo! I'm so ready for my first day on the job. Trust me, it's very fun. Anyway. There's a call going on. Hold on, I'll be right there. Meanwhile. Rectangular triangle, please make your way to the council office. Or, the council room. Thank you. Yes? What's happening? What's going on? Best happening at the moment. But we need you, mixed magnet guys, to go spy on the other species. The balls and the cars. The balls are the, well, least dangerous. Kinda. So we don't need, so only 2 of you can go. So please pick council. I think the rectangular triangle guy and the triangular plus should go. Same. Alright, that means you will be going to spy. Alright? Okay, alright. Go! What about me, boss? I have a different job for you. So, dude, who's going to spy on? Who? Hey, can you give me that back? Okay. But yeah, who is going to spy on what? You can spy on the cars as I go spy on the balls. Okay? All right. Let's do this. Huh. Those cars, those guys don't even know that us red lines still exist. They'll see soon. They'll see. Ow. Gonna need to check that out later. Alright, what are they doing over there? I gotta go do. But seriously though, guys, maybe we should try a new approach for hospitality, because I think it's kind of boring and we need to replace those buttons and whatnot. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, same here, man. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, I'm gonna go to the store and go buy some buttons again. So I'll be right back. Well, what now? I don't know. Maybe we just go inside the hospital and just wait for some people. All right. Thank you for coming to the Spooky Ball Council. Wait, where's the ghost and the pumpkin and the spider with the top hat? Where are they? Do you all know where they are? Sorry, we're right here. Oh yeah, sorry we're late. We were in traffic. Yeah, it was very enticing. Wait, Spider, you can literally, glide like Spider-Man. I'm not even asking, but Ghost, you can literally fly. How did you get here so late? I just wanted to follow them. Still, oh, whatever, at least you're here. Okay, so, who should we scare today? Maybe. Meow, 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 meow. Does anyone know what he just said? I speak cat, and he said that we should scare those glitter guys. That's a good idea. Everyone roll backward if you think we should do. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 against 1. So yeah, we're gonna do it.
I just didn't roll because my back is a little sore, but I don't care. Roll over. Okay. Okay, spooky boys. Huddle up. Let's go. Yeah. It's actually peaceful recently without those spooky boys who are spooking us anymore.
Yeah, kinda.
Here I come. Oh, I missed. Oh.
I didn't mean to do that, so, yeah, bye. I'll destroy you. Then I'll teach you to kill my friend.
Nice strike. Keep losing my balance like that. I'm gonna lose my flying license. Is that a dead bouncy ball? Oh no. Get away from my friend!
You will not mess with my friend. Not today. I was just checking out the butt.
What did you say? Go ahead, say it again.
I was just analyzing the body.
Fine, do it. Thank you. Ow, my wing. Your friend's fine now. I'm gonna see the hospital for this. Okay. Oh my. Yeah, I know, it's pretty bad. Do you know who did this? No, but he was big, blue, and white. Alright. Well, I'm sorry to say, but your friend is gone for good. Oh, no, Archie. No. What you can do is tell the police about this. Nothing more I can do. Sayonara. Trying to see the hospital about this. That wasn't me. That's total mayhem. Oh my god, if I was them, that'd be crazy. But no, that death is messed up, dude. Damn. Time to show myself. Maybe I should make a truce with them. They seem pretty nice with all the havoc missing thing. Where is your leader? Right here. Who dare come? Who are you? I am from the Magnets. I would like to make a truce with you. And why should we agree? Because we can take down the cars together. How about this? We can team up and slowly destroy the cars, alright?
Alright, that's what I had in mind anyway. Alright, well, I'm gonna go now.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go now. After viewing rectangular triangle's vision, go! Got it! Betrayer! How dare he? That rectangular triangle betray us and make a fool of himself by teaming up with one of our race. This is unacceptable. Agreed. Luckily, you sent him out on this quest. He is Damage Destroyer. Well, let's see what happens. You betrayer! You dare use the bandits in our name to literally team up with our one of our greatest enemies! You will die! Races, Lightning McQueen! You! Way to go, buddy! On that race. Why, thank you, Mater. Also, does anything seem strange over there? Because I've never seen those people. Or that. Hey, who are you supposed to... I said... I'm getting tangled. There we go. Now, who are you? Wheels? Tires? Cars! Woo, 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 woo. What? Anyway, Matter, I'm gonna head home. I'll see you soon. Alright, I'll see you in Red Air Springs, buddy.